Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Parmesan bacon and Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my Ninja Foodi. You could also do this in a regular pressure cooker, but you're not going to get the browning results at the end. That's a quick, easy, delicious meal for a work night. I'm going to start with a 12-ounce box of bow tie pasta. We're putting that in there dry. I'm going to take a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce. You can use any brand or any variety you like. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put a whole jar of water in. Let me put my lid on here to shake this up so I can get all that sauce out of there. Now guys, that seems like a lot of liquid, but that pasta will drink that up. Just wipe off my excess water here. Okay, now let me grab a spoon. Okay, now I'm going to go in there and stir this up quick to blend the sauce and the water and the pasta together. Okay, that's looking good. Now I have a 22-ounce bag of grilled chicken. These are little pieces, little cubes. This is made by Tyson. If you can't get that, you can throw some rotisserie chicken in here, but this here is more convenient. I'm going to start adding some in. I'm just going to add the whole bag in. So that was a 22-ounce bag of chicken. I'm going to spread that out, guys. Let me get my pressure lid. Okay, now that I have my chicken there, I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on. Make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to turn my power on, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 10 minutes. When my 10 minutes are up, we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, my 10 minutes are up and I did that quick release of the pressure. Now I have some shredded mozzarella cheese here. We're going to put some on top of the chicken and the pasta. And you see how that pasta drank up that sauce. It's not runny in the least. It's a little saucy, but that'll continue to drink that up. I'm going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on here. And this is a 2-cup pack. We're going to go for probably about a cup. Alright, now I have a half a stick of butter here. I melted and then I put in a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. We're just going to sprinkle this on top because this is going to give us the breaded coating you have on your chicken Parmesan. It's going to give that effect. And I'm just sprinkling this around. And Holly's in her room. She's got a fire under her butt because she wants to get the Christmas tree down in a hurry. She loves Christmas more than anybody, but after the holiday she wants to get it set undone. And she came home from work sick today. She should be resting, but she's in there goofing around taking the decorations off the tree. Alright, spread that around just a little bit. Okay guys, now I have some Parmesan cheese here, shredded Parmesan. We're going to go over top of the breadcrumbs lightly with that. And we'll put a little on the sides there, guys. Okay, now here's where the air fryer part comes in. We're going to close our lid down. I'm going to turn my power on. I'm going to set this on air crisp. I'm going to give it 5 minutes at 390, what its default is at. That usually does a good time, or a good job. That will melt that cheese and crisp up those breadcrumbs. And this will be ready to go. Alright guys, my 5 minutes are up. Look at how golden brown and delicious that looks. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. See your nice crusty top with that creamy cheese. Let me get a little pasta. And I garnish this with a little fresh basil. That's optional, you don't have to do that. Pasta's nice and tender. It's infused with the sauce. A piece of chicken here, some cheese, and a piece of pasta. If I can get a piece of pasta off of there. We'll just take two, guys. Guys, that's really good. It tastes just like chicken Parmesan without all the extra work. Alright, there you have it. chicken Parmesan bacon and Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.